Needs to be.
खा लो मम्मी खा लो এসে গেছে টাইম কোশন না এই রেসিপিটা শেয়ার করলাম
Perfect.
So as you all know, I am in Kolkata at home in my night clothes. Yesterday I was at home all day, so I could give you a tour of my house. Today also I'm going to be home all day, but I have a shoot in the evening. Yesterday I was not well also, so that's how I was looking, but I was eating away. Today I'm going to make a murgi taltale jhol for my mother, which she loves, and I had made this in Bombay and you guys had wanted the recipe. So I'm going to share the murgi jhol that my mother loves, as in taltale jhol, with you guys. Give it a try. I think you guys will love it. So I've taken 1 kilo chicken, 2 chopped onions, 4 chopped tomatoes, some aloo, 5 green chilies slit, a cup of dahi, and all the usual masala which I will show during the cooking. One more thing I want to show you. This is such a Bengali thing and I love it. All these masalas are in these cleaned up Nescafe dabbas. I think my nani used to do this and it's continuing in my house. Me likes. So we will fry some potatoes first. Taltale jhol usually is better with some aloo. The Bengalis love aloo in our chicken curry. Now we remove the aloo. Now I'm going to add the garam masala. Just normal garam masala. I'm going to add my onion. Cook it till it changes color. Add a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste. I like a little more garlic, but it's up to your taste. Now give it a nice mix for about a minute. Now I'm adding 4 tomatoes. With the tomato, I'm going to add a little salt. And I'm also going to add my green chilies. Now we'll cook this for a minute or two so the tomato melts. Now I'm going to add some turmeric. About a heaped spoon of cumin powder. 2 spoons of coriander powder. This spoon is small, that's why I'm heaping it up. A little bit of garam masala. Some Kashmiri red chili for color. A little bit of pepper powder, salt to taste, and a little sugar which is optional. Now add a little water and cook this till the oil separates. Now at this stage, add your 1 cup dahi. Cook this on low flame till the oil separates. Now when the masala looks like this, you add your chicken and add your potatoes. Now on high flame, you need to cook this for about 5 minutes. You have to koshao and koshao and koshao. You have to keep koshawing it till the oil separates. Now this is done with the koshing. Add your hot water. Keep the gravy according to how you would like it, but make sure that the water that you pour is hot. We'll give it a good mix, and once it comes to a boil, we'll cook it by covering it on a low flame. Now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to cover it. Now I don't like my chicken too boiled, like এরকম করে তুলবো হ্যাঁ চিকেনটা পড়ে যাবে ভালো লাগে না আমার. That's why very few times you will see me cooking it in a pressure cooker. After cooking for 15 minutes, I'll check if the aloo is boiled, and if not, I'll give it for another 5 minutes, and then we'll add some ghee, and then we shall eat. In the meantime, I think I'll spend some time with Teddy Shankar. 20 minutes are over. My chicken is done. The potatoes are boiled. Now I'm going to just switch off the stove and add a little ghee. This is the Parsi Dairy Farm ghee. I get it from Bombay because my mother loves it. Now my chicken is ready. মা বলছে খালি খিদে পেয়েছে এবার এটাকে দিয়ে দেব. Time to serve the chicken. Today lunch in my house is some boiled rice. Yes, it's called Sheddo Chal. There is some mushur dal, which is my favorite. Then there is some lauer torkari, which is lauki ki sabji, lauer khosha bhaja, and tal murgi jhol made by me. Dal, the lau and the lauer khosha is made by Aparna. To hello bole dao.
Hello.
And she's a brilliant cook in our house. And this I've made for my mother, who is too busy. Eating home food in Kolkata is something I miss all the time. So I'm going to start with some mushur dal. Of course, a little bit of ghee. And I love lauer khosha bhaja. What are you all having for lunch today? একটু বলুন না, আমার শুনতে খুব ভালো লাগে. What's for lunch today? তোমার ভালো লাগে না যদি বম্বেতে খাও তুমি? পাতলা ঝোল, পাতলা, ভীষণ ভালো. তোমার দুপুরে কাজ আছে না? You get to nap a bit.
Today I nap a bit.
We both are going to be nappy.
Yeah.
Hello, mummy, hello.
Okay. Potato.
আলু একটু না থাকলে মজা হয় বলো ঝোলে? বম্বেতে দিই না, কিন্তু এখানে দিয়ে দিলাম.
I love it. না একদম ভালো.
ঠিক আছে?
Super.
ঠিক আছে, টাইম কোশ্চেন না. এই রেসিপিটা শেয়ার করলাম.
Perfect. It's too good.
বাঙালি হয়েছে না?
একদম.
আমার রান্নাগুলো এরকমই হয়. হ্যাঁ, হালকা is good.
Too good.
So I hope they enjoy the recipe.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay,
Very nice.
You enjoy.
Light.
Good, enjoy.
Thank you.